Oh yeah. Hold that rope tight, man.
Brian, get away from the rope.
I'm sorry. I just really tried.
Alright, you're good.
Look at me, Karen.
Oh my god.
Warning, may cause skin and eye.
That is about the funniest thing ever.
It's not going down.
You have to feed it through your hands. Sit back.
Uh-oh.
Go,
Pretty
step.
Sure you only know like a
Yo, hey. It's not going down.
Hold it tight or it's gonna come like flying out and you're dead.
Keep going. Duh.
Sit in it like a chair.
Sit. Go. Walk.
Like you're taking
Come
back
on,
to
man.
It's like I'm pushing.
Push it up.
Now lean back. Lean back. It's not going anywhere. I don't want to be up here forever.
Shut up.
I don't want to be up here forever.
Sam, is it gay if I like you?
Can I stop this?
No. This is
Bob,
called-
is it gay if I like you?
Yes.
Just wondering.
Sam.
Rock climbing with the count. Here, wait, quick.
Okay,
Get a picture of me in the count.
this is
Get a
intermission.
picture of me in the count. Get me in the picture too. No, get an actual picture. Stop it.